Hey, so welcome back. Work continues on the project here. Today we've got a couple of projects. You see behind me, I got a big pile again with the excavator. I'm putting some conduit out, electrical conduit from the garage barn over to the future site of where I'm going to put an outbuilding over here. So I'm running 3 pipes out there, and I got to get that backfilled. And Don's on his way, and I guess the plan today is we're going to get started on the deck. He's finishing up the trim on the house, but today he's going to be alone, so he thought that maybe we'd get going on the deck. So I'll take you along today, and we'll see how far we get. How many 1-inch I got in there? I got one in there?
You got one in there. Need another. Real quick. Just drop 2 here.
I got some 45s.
Got some 45s.
I ran into Keith at Home Depot. He had some guy with him. I'm like, I thought I was your apprentice. Yeah, I checked out all the HVAC stuff.
Yeah.
And, I don't know, the problem is, you know, they have like a 6-inch diffuser, you know, round diffuser that would work. But to get into it, all they have is elbows. A 6-inch elbow, by the time you turn it,
Yep.
takes up a lot of room there.
Yeah, they do.
Joe Cunningham taught me always put the writing up.
Always put the writing
That
up.
way an inspector can see what kind of pipe you got. Whatever, ain't nobody seeing this pipe.
No.
Except for the people watching that.
I don't see underground power line freaking tape in there either.
No. I got some.
Ain't so bad for you because you kind of know where it is.
Well, as I say, you see a pipe there, you see a pipe there. It doesn't take a rocket scientist to figure out there's a pipe in the ground.
Yeah, but you're not everybody. You have met people these days.
Once
right?
I'm dead, what do I care?
Yeah, right.
Beautiful, isn't it? Now I just got to take that and fill her in. hit anything, I'm going to quit while I'm ahead. Well.
Just a little bit.
We got some of that 3/4, 1x6.
Yeah.
Here he comes, Goodman.
Hey. Let's see, he's ready for the beach.
Go for it. Walk right in there.
Does it feel good? Yeah, these boots have holes in the bottom of them. But you can go through. Go ahead. Walk right through. Come on. Gonna walk right through the center. Walk right through the center. See, they're all clean again. Look. Oh, no, almost. Yeah, and my socks are wet. Oh, does that feel good on your feet? Squishy, squishy mud.